Let's solve another pair of simultaneous equations by using the method of elimination. We have 2x plus 3y equals 29 and 5x minus 3y equals -1. Let's call this equation 1 and this equation 2. Alright. Now, as a way of reminder, simultaneous equations, it means two equations to be solved at the same time together. And we use elimination because we can work with only one equation at a time, but each equation has two unknowns here. Each equation has two unknowns, and we can't work with that. We need to work with an equation with one unknown, so we need to eliminate one of the unknowns, either x or y. Alright, now let's look at this. Remember, in trying to eliminate x or y, we can always add two equations to get a third equation, or subtract two equations to get a third equation. Now, let us try that. Let's add equation 1 to equation 2. So we're trying equation 1 plus equation 2 here. In adding the equations, what we want to do is add the x's, add the y's, and add the numbers. So let's see. 2x plus 5x. The x is 2x plus 5x. That gives what? 7x. X was not eliminated. We need 0x to eliminate x. So we cannot eliminate x by adding the equations. Let's try subtracting the equations. We could say equation 1 minus equation 2 in trying to eliminate x. 2x minus 5x is equal to -3x. We still were not able to eliminate x when we subtracted, so we cannot eliminate x by adding or subtracting the equations. So let's do it again, this time seeing if it would happen with y. So we say equation 1 plus equation 2 in trying to eliminate y by adding the equations. We have a 3y plus a -3y. 3y plus -3y is the same as 3y minus 3y. What do we end up with? 0y. We have eliminated y by adding these two equations. So what we will do is go ahead adding everything, adding the x's, the y's, and the numbers now. So now that we know that we can eliminate y by adding the equations, we say equation 1 plus equation 2, that's 2x plus 5x. You have a 2x plus 5x. Alright, that part will work out. Let's put the x part in red. So we have 2x plus 5x. Nice. Then let's put the y part in green, plus 3y plus -3y. Nice. Then equals the number part in black, 21 plus -1. Alright, so let's see how this works out. 2x plus 5x is 7x. Alright, then we have plus 3y plus negative 3y means 3y minus 3y equals 21 plus negative 1 means 21 minus 1. So let's see how this works out now. 7x 3y minus 3y is 0, so it's plus 0y equals 21 minus 1 is 20. Alright, so oh, it's not 21, it's 29. My mistake. It should be 29. Let's do it again. Why did I put 21? Alright, so let's go again. Equation 1 plus equation 2 is 2x plus 5x, okay, plus 3y plus negative 3y. I'm putting plus at all times and then putting the negative as needed, equals 29 plus this equation 1 plus equation 2, 29 plus negative 1. Nice. So 2x plus 5x gives you 7x plus 3y plus negative 3y is the same as 3y minus 3y, okay, equals 29 minus 1. So here we have 7x, and that's 7x plus 3y minus 3y is 0y, okay, equals 29 minus 1 is 28. So what you have here is 7x equals 28. What we can do, continue over here, 7x equals 28. If we divide by 7, 7 cancels 7, so we have x equals 7 into 28 is 4. X is equal to 4. You see that? X is 4. So now that we know that x is 4, it's time to find out what y is. What we do is take 4 and put it somewhere here. Let's put it in equation 2. You could have put it in equation 1. Let's put it in equation 2. Substitute x equal 4 in equation 2. Alright? So we have 5 times x. But instead of putting x, we put 4 because x is 4. Minus 3 times y, which is 3y. 3y equals negative 1. Now 5 4s 20. So what we have here is 20 minus 3 times y. I want my y in green. Minus 3y equals negative 1. If we subtract y from both sides of the equation, we have, if we subtract 20 from both sides of the equation, what we're going to have is 20 minus 3y equals negative 1. 20 minus 20, and over here minus 20. Let's erase what we have here up here to make some space. and continue working up here. So 20 minus 20, you don't have to worry about the 20 anymore, that's gone. So we have negative 3y equals negative 1 minus 20 is negative 21. So what do we do here? If we divide by negative 3, negative 3 cancels itself, so we have y alone. Y equals, here we divide by negative 3. What is negative 3 into negative 21? It is positive 7. So we end up with the solutions. X equals 4, y equals 7.